What is a destructor? Destructor is a method inside the class used to destroy instances of that class when they are no longer needed or they are not reachable. The destructor is called implicitly by the .NET framework's garbage collector, and therefore programmer has no control as when to invoke the destructor. After this answer, there are a couple of counter questions can be asked, like how many destructors we can create in one class. So the answer is destructor cannot be more than one in a class. So there will be only one destructor. It has no return type and has exactly the same name as the class name, even same case. So another counter question can be asked after this line. As we know that constructor has the same name as a class name as well, so how we distinguish between constructor and destructor? So the answer is it is distinguished apart from a constructor because of the tilde sign prefixed to its name. So we prefixed tilde sign with class name to make destructor or to define destructors. Keep in mind, destructor does not accept any parameters and modifiers. It cannot be defined in structures. It is only used with classes. So if you see in the right hand side, here I have created a class user, and that user class, if you see that, contains two methods, and both methods names are same as class name, but one name is prefixed with sign tilde. So this one is destructor. Also keep in mind, as we cannot pass parameters to destructor, so it means we cannot overload destructors as well. And also remember, we cannot inherit destructors in child classes as well. Also remember, on a side note, internally destructor called the finalize method on the base class of object. I hope you got the answer.